my bacon lovers, and welcome to another edition of Destination Bacon. And on today's episode, we're making bacon wrapped corn dogs. Oh yes, that delicious state fair treat that you know and loved, made better with bacon. Stay tuned for this week's episode. "100% beef corn dogs." That's what we're using. Let's get the oil going. We're going to be using our brown sugar bourbon bacon from Hitman Smoked and wrap the corn dogs. Okay, we're going to do this while the oil is heating. We're going to wrap our bacon around the corn dog. And then secure it with a toothpick. Just like that. Okay, now for the next one. The instructions on the corn dog box said to deep fry them for 8 minutes, and you're supposed to just dip them in there while they're frozen. So it sounds like a long time to me, but we're gonna try it. So here goes nothing. Okay. Gonna put the first one in. Number 2. There they go. They are sizzling away. It's been about a minute and I just sort of rolled it over because the bacon's getting crispy. I think it's getting pretty crispy. The bacon is anyway. I'm gonna put it on a paper towel and let these bad boys drain. Oh, yes, now it's only been 5 minutes, but I think that's good enough. Okay, our corn dogs are resting on a plate with a paper towel to absorb any excess grease and to kind of sit and cool, because I don't want to have to call 911 with 3rd-degree burns if I bite into these. So let's give it a few minutes and we'll do our taste test. And now for the taste test. It really smells good. Oh, deep fried bacon and a nice honey, doughy, sweet breading around an all-beef hot dog. Okay. I like my corn dogs with mustard, but obviously you can, you know, whatever dipping you like. So let's hope this is not 5,000 degrees. Crunchy. The outside, the breading of the dog is crunchy and sweet. I think the package said it was honey. The dog is tender and cooked really nicely all the way through, and the bacon is super duper crispy. Oh wow, so good that I have to have another bite. And our brown sugar bourbon bacon from Hitman Smoked. It is good and crispy because we deep fried it, and it also has sweetness, so it adds to that overall flavor. So good, you guys. Okay, you gotta try this. Comment below if you try it, if you make it with a brat or any other kind of smoked sausage, if you make your dough from scratch, which I think you can easily do with like pancake mix. Let me know how your bacon wrapped corn dog turned out. Thanks guys for watching. Please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time on Destination Bacon.